Welcome to the calendar party. Let's learn the months of the year with music and fun.
12 months in 1 year. Let's meet them one by one.
January brings snow and cheer. It's the start of a brand new year. February is full of love, hearts, and hugs from up above.
March brings wind and flowers bright. Let's welcome springtime's light.
April showers make us smile, puddles splashing all the while.
May is here with colors bright, gardens blooming in sunlight.
June is sunny, hot and bright, perfect for summer's delight. July is full of sparkle and fun. Solid, fireworks shining for everyone.
August glows with summer cheer. Friends and fun are always near.
September brings fall and class. Olive, grab your books, it's time to pass. October's spooky, full of fun. Trick or treat for everyone.
November's time to share and eat. With love and thanks, life's sweet.
December's here, it's time for cheer. Snow and presents, the best time of year.
January, February, March, and more pig. Sing the months from start to floor.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, hooray! September, October, November. Which month comes after April? It's May! Yay! Which month has snow and gifts?
December! You got it right! It's snowy month!
Drag the season to the right month. You matched them all! Which month has Valentine's Day? It's February! So sweet!
Underscore is the first month of the year.
It's January!
You're so smart!
Did you know February can have 29 days? It's called a leap year.
You did amazing! You're a month's master!
Be sure to hit that subscribe button.
Yes, please do!